The Minister of Finance, Lautimu Iawaleseva'i, told Parliament that a report on the forensic audit is expected to be tabled in Cabinet in October if all goes well. The audit investigation is conducted by the Auckland based company, BDO, and out of 25 government projects set by the Cabinet for the forensic audit, BDO is focusing on 13 matters first. The opposition Member of Parliament, Alay Asamoah Fa'awose asked for an update of the audit in Parliament last week, especially if the HRPP government stole from public funds. Prime Minister Fiamena Naomi Mataafa explained that the intention of the forensic audit is not to find faults or accuse anyone, but rather for clarity after a change of government on where major development projects lie. Fiame clarified that HRPP had been in power for almost 40 years, and the last time there was a change of government was when a coalition government led by Va'ai Kolone and Tupua took power between 1985 and 1988. HRPP had been in power since, until the FAST government took over in July 2021. The government then allocated 1 million ta'ala for the forensic audit and advertised for independent auditors and awarded BDO the contract. The Minister of Finance, Lautimu Iawaleseva'i, said there was a delay with issues regarding the contract with BDO and payment schedule, but the work is now progressing smoothly.